Cheetahs, and overall the experience has been fantastic. Going out to the villages, we talked to villagers on the way and in the village as well.
The one thing was the major thing that we didn't know each other so well before we started our trek. And while we completed the trek, we came back, we now really had a good time, and now we are, I could definitely say that the way we were bonded before, it's much better than what we are right now. So that is one thing.
Also, the other thing is that the people out there, they were not just looking for material things, they just wanted a helping hand, just someone to talk to them, just to feel like a human, talk to him like a human. That was itself like amazing, the experience, the respect that we had got from them.
Hi, we are Panthers, and we had a terrific experience of today's trek to Gangwana and Chapewadi. From 7:30 AM till now, we've been together.
Also preparing the business case and the funniest skit in such a timeline. That was one thing that we have discovered.
Our team is Pumas.
We had an amazing experience in the trek, so we actually learned how to stick together because we were the first team to reach up to the village.
As students and people who have considerable amount of experience in cities, it's important to get the perspective of villages by being there, and I really wish that we had more such activities so that it only opens up our ways, our problem solving skills, and our skill of working with totally new set of people.
So we're Team Jaguar.
The trek was actually a very daunting task, but the team stuck together, and it was fun to see all of us motivating each other. Identifying a problem the village is facing and trying to brainstorming to find a solution to that problem kind of gives us the confidence that all the problems can be solved. There is a solution to all the problems.
Hi, we are Team Tigers. We were actually listening to the problems of the villagers, which was something which is required to do as part of this whole activity. They brought a business perspective to our whole day.
Adding business perspective to that through team building activities, it was the best part of the program.
Hi, I'm Kratika Tapadia from Team Lions, the red team, and the day was amazing. We started with the shooting. For the first time I ever held a rifle, and I was like, okay, how should I do it? And they helped me, and I was able to shot 4 shots out of 5, which was a big thing for me. Then we went for the zip lining, which was again amazing, and we were feeling that rush among ourselves. And then the best part was the last challenge that we saw, dynamic course challenge. And the best part we had was that we created a win-win situation between 2 different teams, the red team and the blue team. And we were not fighting like others. We were able to, use our resources, the minimum resources which we had, and everyone, including the weightest person or the lightest person, or the one who was having a lot of fear of heights, or one who was very easy and agile, everyone was able to do it at the same pace and at the same time.
Okay, so we are from the team Cheetahs, and I'm Gayatri. Before joining the team, I didn't know anything about anyone. but while working with the team we got to know a lot about each other, support each other, and not only within the team but we also built trust and faith with other teams, and especially when the dynamic challenge was going on. So we learned a lot of interpersonal skills and this experience has been really good.